Hey guys, another day, another reselling Q&A. Got a couple of you guys asking my thoughts on a certain person who is, I don't know, desperate to monetize their YouTube channel, basically. They first made a video talking about me. They didn't say my name, but they were talking about me in the video, saying like, oh, calling me a bully, I believe, and just saying like, I love how these people are so twisted in the head that they turn around and try to flip this on me. Like I'm the bad person, like because I talk about what Nicole State did. They turn around and flip it on me like I'm the bad person. How the fuck does that make sense? Like what? Anyway, this person is now supporting my stalker, harasser. I'm not going to say her name because that's what she wants. I did mention her on Instagram. That has since been deleted. Or it was only a story, so it was only for 24 hours. But yeah, she wants attention desperately. This is all I'm going to give her. She's not worth another breath, honestly. But yes, I do know about her. Do whatever you got to do to try to get monetized. But just know that you're disgusting. You are. Now let's get on to the people that actually matter. Okay, first question. Hi, I'm not sure if this question has been addressed yet. If someone creates a bundle and there is one item in the bundle that has already been discounted shipping, does the whole bundle get discounted shipping? And if yes, then does Poshmark take more money from the discounted shipping because there are more items in the bundle? Oh, that's a good question. I do not know the answer to that. So you're saying if you have a listing, say like you have a sweatshirt and you're offering free shipping on the sweatshirt and somebody adds that to a bundle, does the whole entire bundle get free shipping? I want to say yes, but honestly, I don't know. I have to do some research and find out. I want to say I saw something on Instagram. I saw somebody talk about that, but I'm not 100%. So I'll have to do research and I'll get back to you. Hello, Vanessa. I purchased an unbranded sweater from ThredUp that turned out to be Chanel based on the size tag details. I also called Chanel and they were able to confirm that it was from the spring/summer 2016 collection, but they do not authenticate outside purchases. My question is, do you know what steps to take to have it authenticated? Thank you in advance for your assistance. Are you talking about through Poshmark? I don't know exactly. I know that if you have something that is over $500, then it gets sent to Poshmark first and they authenticate it and then they ship it to the buyer. If you're not talking about Poshmark, if you're talking about like other companies that authenticate things, I don't know. Maybe someone watching this video can comment down below and help you out. I don't buy a ton of high-end stuff. If I do, I make sure that I know 100% that it's authentic, so I've never had to get anything authenticated. So yeah, so if anyone watching this video can help her out, comment down below. Next question. Have you ever experienced this on Poshmark, where a buyer creates a bundle and leaves it alone for a few days? Then a notification will show up saying, blank has created a bundle blank days ago, make an offer to end the sale. If so, how would you react to that? If not, I understand. Yes, that does happen. So if somebody creates a bundle and you don't do anything with it, if you don't send an offer or anything, then Poshmark will remind you. I don't know. Actually, I've seen it say like 1 day ago, so I think it's after 24 hours. Yes, that has happened to me, and I think that it's helpful because sometimes I have like a lot of people that make bundles, or maybe sometimes someone will make a bundle and I'll be busy and I won't be able to do anything right away. I think it's helpful that Poshmark reminds you. So I would reply to it. I would either message a person and be like, hey, I saw you made a bundle. Are you interested in anything else? Or just send them an offer. Next question. Can you say what it cost roughly for a VA? So I don't give out that info as well as like my cost of goods. I had another question. I don't know if I screenshotted it, but somebody was asking me why I don't say my cost of goods. I just don't like to give out that information. That's like personal business information. I don't give out certain business expenses. Cost of goods is one of them, and what I pay for a VA is also one of them. But I will tell you, I got my VA on Fiverr, and I did see rates of like, if you get someone overseas, you can expect to pay like very little. Like they will work for not a lot of money at all. I'm talking like maybe, it depends on what you have them do. But I've seen some people that are like $4 or $5 an hour. That's how much they charge. I don't really know what like companies will run you. I know that when I had a bot, yeah guys, I had a bot. I tried a bot. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. If you've watched my channel before, you know that I'm very anti-bot, but I wanted to try it out just to see. But I think that bot was like $40 a month, I think it was like $40 or $45 a month. That's really all the info that I'll give out. Okay, next question. I just had an offer on Mercari and went to accept it, but it said there was an error with the payment and the transaction failed. Have you ever had this happen? The account looks brand new, no reviews or listings or anything. Yes, that actually happened to me yesterday or the day before. And I just messaged a person. I said, hey, they had sent me an offer and Oh my gosh, guys, I ordered Instacart and this lady has been shopping for over an hour and I only got, I got 42 things. But it's like simple things. She's not even halfway done either, which is kind of crazy. What was I saying? What was the question even about? That has happened to me before. It happened to me recently. It was either yesterday or the day before, and I just messaged the person. I said, hey, I accepted your offer, but it said that the transaction failed. And this person was like, oh yeah, I have to go add funds to my card. You know, the bank opens at 9 o'clock and I'll send the offer again. Well, they never ended up doing that. Sometimes I do have luck where I will message a person and they'll be like, oh my gosh, yeah, you know, like I gotta add funds to my account, or I had the wrong card on file. Like I've even done that before. I did that recently, actually. I bought some things off Poshmark and it said transaction failed. I'm like, what the hell? And I realized I had gotten a new debit card, so I needed to change it in Poshmark with the new expiration date. So yeah, it is legit. It does happen. I would just message them and just say, hey, you know, I accepted your offer, but there was a, you know, you can say it without being like, you tried to buy this without having any money. You know, you can say it without being rude. You can just say, hey, you know, I accept your offer, the transaction failed, you know, like if you still want it, let me know. Next question. Hey girl, hi, do you do live videos? I have a question. There was a plus size party. I was able to share all the women plus sizes, but was unable to share the men's clothes. Is there something I'm missing about that? Thanks, love to watch you. So I think the plus size party, I think that's women only. I might be mistaken. I think that's women only. That might be the issue. Thank you for the compliment, by the way. And as far as live videos, so I have gone live on YouTube a few times, but I don't, it's just hard. Really the only time I would have to do that would be late at night, and late at night, mama is tired. What is this? Oh my gosh, she's sending me messages. My Instacart shopper. Oh, she can't find the Gerber organic sweet potato, apple, carrot, and cinnamon baby food. What is Nolan gonna do without that? Live videos. Yeah, I have gone live on YouTube a few times, and like I said, the only time I would be able to do it is late at night, and mama is exhausted late at night, especially since school has started, because oh my gosh, you guys, like it's crazy. I have to bring Brady to school and Emmeline to school, and they start school at different times, and it's just one of the schools is across town, so it's just craziness. But maybe I'll do a live soon, or maybe I'll do a live on Instagram soon. Maybe I was thinking about doing like a live like fill-a-bag sale. Maybe. Comment down below and let me know if that's something you guys want to see. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I might as well plug it right now. Follow me on Instagram. Oh, I do want to throw this out there. So I do have two Instagrams. I have That Is Rad and Keepin' It Rad. That Is Rad is my personal Instagram. I get so many requests daily. 33 requests right now on that Instagram, and I don't accept people that I don't know. It's a personal account. On my Keepin' It Rad account, you can follow me on there. It's public. I'll link it down below. But that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below, send me a DM on Instagram, or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You guys hear that noise? It's a jackhammer. My father-in-law, guys. My father-in-law and my brother-in-law are doing so much work to our house. It's great. Hello? You're thirsty? All right, they stop. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.